Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Suunto 9 Peak Pro. To begin, press and hold the top right button for 3 seconds to power on your device. Navigate through menus using the 3 side buttons. The top and bottom buttons scroll, while the middle button selects. A short press of the middle button returns you to the watch face, where you can swipe up or down to view widgets like heart rate and daily steps. This foundational understanding is key to unlocking your watch's full potential. To start tracking an activity, press the middle button from the watch face, then select Exercise. Choose your sport, wait for GPS to acquire a signal, and press the middle button again to begin recording. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro offers exceptional GPS accuracy, tracking your route and distance with precision. During your workout, you can view real-time metrics like pace, heart rate, and elapsed time. Press the top button to pause and the bottom button to end your session. Personalize your Suunto 9 Peak Pro by pressing the middle button and navigating to Settings. Here, you can change watch faces, customize data fields for different sports modes, and adjust general preferences like alarms and notifications. To unlock even more features and detailed analytics, pair your watch with the Suunto app on your smartphone. This connection allows for seamless data synchronization and further customization, enhancing your overall user experience and helping you track progress effectively. Charging your Suunto 9 Peak Pro is straightforward. Simply attach the magnetic charging cable to the back of the watch. A full charge typically takes about 1 hour and provides impressive battery life, offering up to 21 days in time mode or up to 170 hours with GPS in tour mode. To maintain its pristine condition, regularly wipe the watch with a soft, damp cloth and rinse it after sweaty workouts. Proper care ensures longevity and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.